New MassiveDiag feature will change how you create diagrams. You already know how powerful MassiveMark is, but hold on. MassiveDiag just added a game-changing feature that takes your documents to the next level. No more struggling with diagram formatting, no more wasting time drawing charts manually. Today, I'm going to show you how the new Insert Diagram button lets you create, edit, and insert diagrams instantly using Mermaid Playground and other powerful tools. Let's dive in. MassiveDiag just made diagram creation effortless. MassiveMark already makes Markdown to Word conversion seamless, but now they've gone a step further. This new Insert Diagram feature lets you create flowcharts, Gantt charts, UML diagrams, and more instantly. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, ClaudeAI to generate diagram code for you. Before we begin, did you know that the full toolbar in MassiveMark Playground only appears after you start typing? If you don't see all the formatting options, simply type any word, like start, and boom, the complete toolbar appears, giving you access to formatting tools. All right, let's say you need a flowchart, sequence diagram, or Gantt chart in your document. 1. Click on the Insert Diagram button in the MassiveMark Playground. 2. MassiveDiag will open where you can paste your diagram code. 3. Don't know how to write diagram code? No problem. Use ChatGPT, Claude, the AI stir to generate Mermaid, Plant UML, or Graphviz code for you. Copy the AI-generated code and paste it into MassiveDiag. 4. The tool automatically detects the diagram type. If not, you can select it manually. 5. Click Create Diagram to generate the visualization. 6. Click Insert Diagram to add it directly into your document. Mermaid Playground auto-renders your diagram based on simple syntax. Supports 15+ formats. Supported diagram formats include UML and software architecture, Plant UML, C4 Plant UML, Mermaid, Nomnimal, DBML, Structurizer UMLet, Graphs and Networks, Graphviz, D2, ERD, Smiles, Block and Flow Diagrams, BlockDiag, ActDiag, NWDiag, PacketDiag, RackDiag, SequenceDiag, BPMN, Data, Pikchr. Technical and specialized, WaveDraw Field, SVG Bob, TikZ, Symbolator, Wireviz. Data and mind visualization, Vega, Vega Lite, Excalidraw, Markmap. Vector graphics. You can also upload diagram code using the Upload Code button. Perfect alignment, no weird spacing issues, and export ready. And here's the best part. You can export the document with diagrams as .x or PDF in one click. Why this feature is a game changer. Imagine, need a flowchart for a research paper? Done. Want a sequence diagram for your project documentation? Easy. Need an ERDiagram for database design? No problem. This will save you hours of manual work. Mass just made diagram creation effortless. Want to learn more? You need to see my full tutorial on how to use it. I'll leave the link below. Watch my previous video on how to use MassiveMark and MassiveDiag here. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more productivity hacks. And hey, if you want to learn more about MassiveDiag, check out my other videos right here.